Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump straight into this video. So I know I'm looking crazy. I just recently took my braids out probably about a week ago or so, probably less than that honestly, and I just took off a wig as well. That's why y'all can see like some blue residue or whatever, but I need to shampoo and condition my hair. It's been up in braids for about a month or so, yeah, it's looking crazy. Need some good tender loving care, so that's what we're about to do. Honestly, I've been wanting to incorporate more natural hair on my channel. I know that my channel is solely based around like wig installations and tutorials and stuff, but I really wanted to get into my natural hair. I don't want to make this intro too long. Let's just go right ahead and jump into this video.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
This one's for you. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. But she hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she gave it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I said you the best. You the best. Best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had, best I ever had. I said you the know you got a roommate. Call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I be over there. I be over there, shout it, I be over there. I be hitting all the spots that you ain't even know was there. And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last slice. Always felt like you were so accustomed to the fast life. Having nigga thinking that he met you in a past life. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that you don't take it wrong. You don't even trip when friends say you ain't bringing Drake along. You know that I'm working, I'll be there soon as I make it home. And she a pension in my waiting room. Never pay attention to the rumors and what they assume. And until them girls prove it, I'm the one that never get confused with. Cause baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. But she hold me down every time I hit her up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she gave it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I said you the best.
All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump into this wash and go routine. So basically my essentials when doing a wash and go: number one, holy grail when it comes to detangling my wet hair, this is the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch instant detangling therapy, and this honestly is my favorite. I can use a small drop on my hair and it will detangle my hair completely. Well, a section, not my whole head, but a little bit goes a long way is basically what I'm trying to say. Honestly, I feel like I'm really just an Aunt Jackie junkie. I love her products. They work so well for my hair. So this is the Aunt Jackie Don't Shrink Flaxseed elongating curling gel. So as y'all can see, I pretty much use this up. I'm probably gonna have to get some more after this wash and go. Normally I will use like a big thing of Vaseline because I like to put some sort of oil on my hair because my hair just drinks and craves oil. So I normally would use Vaseline, but this tube is too small and I need to re-up on my big jar of Vaseline for my hair. But since I don't have any of that, I am going to use this Jamaican black castor oil. And I just like to put a little bit of oil on my hair before putting on my gel. That way, you know, my hair is nice and moisturized. The gel doesn't dry my hair out. The gel doesn't dry my hair out anyway, but you know. So yeah, y'all, that's basically all the products that I use. So what I'm gonna do now is just go ahead and start my wash and go process. And I really want you guys to be able to see like what I'm doing. So I will probably come back once I'm like closer to the top of my head. All right, y'all, so I have pretty much gone through and done a substantial amount of my hair so far. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it is that I do. I like for the section to be pretty small. I don't like to work in big sections because I really like a lot of definition. So I feel like when I work in bigger sections, I don't get the definition that I want. So what I'm gonna do with this section is spray it with some water, get it wet. Just like for my hair to be at least damp so that it's easy for me to detangle. And like I was telling you guys before, I'm gonna take some of the Not On My Watch, and I'm not gonna take too much. This is probably like, it's dripping now, but this is like a quarter size. And I will start at the bottom of my hair and work my way up. Each strand is coated with the product. And I know a lot of people use Denman brushes, but for some reason they just don't work for me when I'm detangling my hair. I'm not sure why, but I always just use a simple paddle brush, wig brush, whatever y'all want to call it, and that's what works for me, y'all. That's what works for me. So starting from the bottom, I'm gonna go in and just brush my hair out like this. And I do have more tangling than I would on a regular day, because I just took my braids out, so there's like a lot of excess shedding and stuff going on. So some of my black castor oil, and again I'm just using a little bit. This is probably about a dime size that I'm putting in my hair. And again, starting from the bottom, working my way up to the top with that product. And then I'm gonna go in with my Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel, and again working from the bottom to the top. I feel like I use a pretty generous amount of gel, honestly, because again, like I said, I really like a lot of definition, and I feel like the more gel that I use, the more definition I get. So then once I have that gel in there and all those products, just gonna start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. Honestly, once my hair is detangled, that's why it's really important to make sure your hair is detangled. When I'm detangling it and I put that gel in there and I kind of brush it through with my paddle brush, the definition kind of comes immediate. So you'll already see that my curls will separate on their own. So then what I'll do is, starting from the back, I'll just kind of separate them and do some very simple finger coils. If I find that I need to add a little bit more product, I will do so. But overall, that's really what I do. Just going in, finger coiling. And honestly, I've been doing my wash and go routine for a really long time, so I can kind of feel where the curls are separating when I pull them apart. So I try to keep them in the same like fashion in which they separated when I brushed them through originally. But sometimes I do have to break them up if it's like too big or too small or whatever. So nothing super duper perfect. I just want to go in, finger coil like this. And that's that. And another trick that I learned, guys, if you are wanting more definition, you can shake your head like this and it'll add a little bit more definition to your curls.
World that come with plan B, cause plan A never relay and guarantee, and plan C never could say just what it was, and your plans only can pan around love. You love him, you love them, you love her, you love so much, you love when love hurts. You love red bottom and gold that say queen, you love handbag on the waist of your jean, you love French tip and trip that pay for, you love make slip that tell you we pay for, you love a good hand whenever the card dealt. But what love got to do with it when you don't love yourself?
I do what I want to. I say what I want to say when I feel like I look in the mirror and know I'm there. My I'm proud to say it. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. 'Cause before you know it, everything's gone.
I promise that I know you very well. Your eyes never lie, even if they fail. Out the sky and your optics turn stale. With a mode that's green, I can see you fit the bill. I'm living in a world that comes with plan B. 'Cause plan A only can make another mistake. And you can't see success coming from plan C. When it all breaks, you'll still say you love me and love them and love when you love her. You love so much, you love when love hurts. You love fast cars and their president's old. You love fast women, you love keeping control of everything that you love. You love beef, you love streets, you love running, ducking police. You love your hood, might even love it to death. But what love got to do with it when you don't love yourself?
I do what I want to. I say what I want to say. When I feel right and I look in the mirror and know I'm there. Put my hands in the air. I'm proud to say it. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. I'm really, really real. I'm real. I'm real. 'Cause before you know it, everything's gone.
The reason why I know you very well, 'cause we have the same eyes, can't you tell? The days I tried to cover up and conceal my pride, it only made it harder for me to deal with living in a world that come with plan B. And scapegoat, 'cause plan A don't come free. And plan C just an excuse like because, or the word but what if I got love? I love them, I love when I love her. I love so much, I love when love hurts. I love first verse, 'cause you're the girl I attract. I love second verse, 'cause you're the homie that pack, burning like a stovetop that love cooking from scratch. I love what the both of you have to offer. In fact, I love it so much I don't love anything else. But what love got to do with it when I don't love myself to the point I should hate everything I do love? Should I hate living my life inside the club? Should I hate her for watching me for that reason? Should I hate him for telling me that I'm seasoned? Should I hate them for telling me ball out? Should I hate street credibility? I'm talking about hating on money, power, respect, and my will. Or hating the fact none of that shit make me real.
I do what I want to.
Alright, y'all, so now that I've done these two sides, I am gonna go in and kind of stretch my curls, because if I don't stretch them, I'm gonna be looking crazy. So I'm just gonna take my blow dryer. I use I use the low setting, and I normally do hot or warm just depending on how much of a rush I'm in. But basically all I do is grab a section of hair, and I don't like to pull it to where it's straight. I like to just give it like a light tug and just go over it with my blow dryer for probably like 30 seconds, 45 maybe.
You know, I ain't got a clue, bro.
Damn. Got the body of a goddess. Got eyes for the pink and brown. I see you, girl. She coming down from the ceiling. Yeah, she know what she doing. She doing that right thing. Need to get her over to my crib and do that night thing. I'm in love with a stripper. She climbing, she rolling, she rolling. She climbing and rolling. I'm in love with a stripper. She tripping, she playing, she playing. I'm not going nowhere, girl, I'm staying. I'm in love with a stripper. She climbing, she rolling, she rolling. She climbing and rolling. I'm in love with a stripper. She tripping, she playing, she playing. I'm not going nowhere, girl, I'm staying. I'm in love with a stripper. Out of all the girls, she be the hardest. Liking the way she break it down.
Okay, y'all, so I have finally finished this wash and go. Normally it doesn't take me this long. It took me kind of like about an hour and a half today to do this wash and go. Normally it takes me like 30 minutes, maybe 45, but because I just took my braids out, I had like a lot of tangling and shedding and stuff because y'all know when you keep in braids and you take them out, there's normally a decent amount of shedding that comes with it. So I had an extra amount of detangling that I needed to do, but my hair is now done. Y'all can see the top part is pretty much wet, where the bottom is honestly dry. It's probably like 85% dry down here. What I do once I finish my hair, sometimes I will let it air dry, sometimes I won't. For the sake of this video, I won't let it air dry. I will kind of show you guys how I diffuse my hair. So yeah, basically what I do is I like to start and just kind of use my blow dryer in circular motions just so I can make sure that everything is kind of dry. And then I like to give my hair some shape along with stretching out my curls as well. So I kind of lift up my hair and just do this just to kind of give my hair some volume as well as a little bit of shape. And that's pretty much all I do. When I diffuse my hair, I never really waste my time trying to get it 100% dry because that takes a lot of time, especially because my hair holds a lot of product and stuff. So I normally just try to get it about 80% dry.
March like Bob Saget, greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you do, me in the past tense. I ain't no drinking style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my habit time change? I'm still playing the victim, and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can see it, it's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can see it, I'm blind.
Okay guys, so that is it for this video. This is the final product of my hair. And yeah, I love it. I love wearing my natural hair, honestly. I wanted to incorporate more natural hair content on my channel. I feel like most of my content is mainly wigs, which you guys know, but I do want to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to maintain your hair under your wigs because that is also really important. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on natural hair content. If you guys have any ideas or videos or things that you want to see from me, also leave those down in the comment section below. If you guys have any questions on products, hair types, my routine, anything, just let me know. I will be happy to answer any questions that you guys may have pertaining to this video. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you want to see more content like this, because I'm about to start really dropping the content on y'all. So make sure y'all are ready. Hit that post notification button so you're notified every time I upload a video so that you won't miss a thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.